Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to tie your two Igbo wrappers. This is a solution to young girls that doesn't know how to tie two wrappers, that is Igbo wrapper, and to the newly married couples. Okay, so now we have two wrappers here. This is the head tie and I have the two wrappers. Previously we normally do the wrapper in two. One will be bigger and one will be smaller, but this time around both of them are of the same size. You can tie anyone you feel like inside and tie anyone outside. So we start with number one. You open up your wrapper, make sure that the edges that are folded, look at the ones that are folded, and this is the smooth side, which is the front. Okay, this is the front. Now the first thing you will do is to widen your leg like so. And you can see I'm holding, this is the right side while this is the wrong side. The wrong side is inside while the right side is outside. So what to do, the wrapper is always held at the left side, not at the right side. So what I will do, from this is my left hand side, I will fold it in like so. You can see. Then I'll bring this one up. You can see. Then I'll turn to my back and tie it. So this is the first one. By the time you tie it, you now place your blouse like so. Okay, this is number one. Then number two, the same way, you open up the second one. You can see, you still widen your leg. Why are you widening your leg? To help to walk easily, to ease your walking, it so that it will not be tight when you are moving. To not be tight on your leg. So remember, we've tied the first one. Now the second one will come up like so. Remember, the first one we tied it. Second one will come up. You can see it will be shorter than the first one. The first one is longer while the second one will be shorter like so. Now you do the same thing, but this time around we are not going to tie it at the back. Okay, just take it up to this point, then fold it like so. You can see it. So you can see the back while this is the front. You can see how an Igbo person tie wrapper. So many other tribes, they tie in different ways. Some tie one, some tie two, but this is precisely Igbo. So you can see. So guys, do you have another style in your tribe? I want to know. Just drop at the comment section. Let me know the style that you use in your dialect. I want to know how your people tie their own. Just make a comment at the comment section. So if you don't want to tie it like so, you can actually do it like so. Just fold it. You can actually fold it in. Some people, they do it like so. Some try, they prefer it to tie it like so. Some, this is how they prefer it. You can see how it looks. But for me, in my own side, how you tie it, you just tie it as a normal Igbo wrapper. Okay. So you can see it's very simple and easy. So I hope this video is helpful. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified and to upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, keep watching for more designs, and bye until I see my next video.